The main alarm provides a single point interface for up to 100 sensor heads. It is the control unit for the Genesis wireless security system. The optional cloud interface sends data from the main alarm to the cloud. The security perimeter dome generates a 6 to 8 feet diameter sphere within which the sensor heads are secured. The sensor head is adhered to the device and provides wireless alarm security. The WPWR sensor cable provides power to the product and capacitive alarm security. The cradle provides a base and power for the sensor head. The purple display circle with the attached cradle and cord winder provides a display mount for the product as well as a mechanical tether for additional security. The multi-port USB power hub is used to provide power to cradles. The tether disconnect key on the left is used to unlock the cord winder cable end from the sensor head. The duck key on the right is used to access and use the functions of the main alarm, including silencing the alarm. Each store is provided an in-store maintenance kit, which includes the items needed to maintain your Genesis system. To set up the main alarm, plug the barrel plug end of the power cable into the power port on the back of the main alarm. Plug the other end into an outlet. Raise the antenna and clip it in place. Please note that this step is for stores that have subscribed to Senko's data analytics plan. To set up the cloud interface, connect the antenna to the 3G GPRS port on the right side of the back of the cloud interface. Plug the USB cable from the main alarm into the USB port of the cloud interface. Plug the power cable into its port on the cloud interface. Plug the other end into an outlet. You will hear a single beep and the green power light on the cloud interface will be lit. Wait approximately 60 seconds. You will hear a second beep and the green status light on the cloud interface will be lit. Plug the barrel plug end of the power cable into the power port on the back of the alarm. Plug the other end into an outlet. To teach the first key, insert one duck key. The LCD will read, State, Key Learned, Keys Learned, 1. The main alarm will automatically learn that duck key. To teach additional keys, insert a recognized duck key. Insert another duck key within 5 seconds. The main alarm will automatically learn that duck key. The LCD will read, State, Key Learned, Keys Learned, 2. Repeat for up to 10 keys. Please note a store manager may use this method to remove duck keys from memory when one or more has been lost, misplaced, or taken by a terminated employee. To remove a key from the main alarm's memory, insert a recognized duck key. Remove it, insert it, remove it, and reinsert it in a quick succession. This indicates all other duck keys have been removed from the memory. Teach additional duck keys back into the main alarm. Security perimeter domes within a fixture need to be placed no more than 4 feet apart with both arrows pointed in the same direction. To power a security perimeter dome, plug the barrel plug end of the power cable into the power port on the side of the security dome. Plug the other end into an outlet. The green LED should be lit indicating power is on. When there is an active main alarm, the blue LED on the security perimeter dome will flash steadily. Make sure the arrows on both security perimeter domes are facing the same direction. If the store has a straight fixture with 4 or more positions, place both security perimeter domes on the same side of the fixture. They should be placed on the side that allows the LEDs to be visible. Place the security perimeter domes on opposite ends of the fixture. Make sure the arrows on both security perimeter domes are facing the same direction. Do not adhere the security perimeter dome until the system has been tested. Once the system has been tested, you may clean the surface and adhere the security perimeter dome in place using the provided adhesive. If the store has a pole fixture in 4 positions, you must unscrew the circular bottom panel of the fixture and drop it down. Place 1 security perimeter dome and 1 multi-port USB hub in each fixture shelf. Do not ever adhere the security perimeter dome inside the shelf. This shelf does not allow enough room for adhesive. Make sure the arrows on both security perimeter domes are facing the same direction. Adhering a sensor head to a device. You will need the product to be displayed, alcohol wipes, primer or promoter, a sensor head with shielding and adhesive attached, a WPWR sensor, an adhesive strip for securing the WPWR sensor cable, and 2 clear acrylic strips for securing removable backs on certain products. Open an alcohol wipe package. Clean the back of the product with the alcohol wipe. Dry it with a clean cloth. Open the bottle of primer. The primer is to be used on devices with plastic backs. The promoter is to be used on devices with rubber backs. Apply to the back of the product where the sensor head's adhesive will go. Allow 5 minutes for drying. Remove the backing from the sensor head's adhesive. Center the sensor head on the back of the product and press down firmly for 15 seconds for a stronger adhesive bond. Plug the micro USB Type-C or lightning end of the WPWR sensor cable into the product's charging port. Be sure to clean and dry the surface in which you are going to apply any adhesive. Place the adhesive strip on the front side of the WPWR's micro USB Type-C or lightning connector. Wrap it around to the back side of the connector and press firmly onto the back of the product. Plug the other end of the WPWR sensor cable into the port on the sensor head. Take one of the acrylic strips for securing the removable back. Place it on the side of the product, keeping the top edge along the side of the product and not on the screen. Press the rest of the acrylic strip around onto the back of the product and onto the side of the sensor head. Repeat for the other side. Use a flathead screwdriver or similar object to release the clip locking the cord winder on its bracket behind the purple display circle. Temporarily remove the cord winder from the bracket and allow it to hang. Place the 2 rubber washers on the carriage bolt. Insert the carriage bolt into the mounting hole directly under the cord winder. Slide the purple display circle on the desired position of the fixture. Underneath the fixture, place a metal washer on the carriage bolt and then secure it with a locking wing nut. Repeat for the second carriage bolt. Insert the USB power cable down through the track or the hole on the fixture. Place the ACP into position on the fixture and set the carriage bolt through. Underneath the fixture, Place the clipped washer on the carriage bolt and secure it with the locking wing nut. If the cable has fallen through the cradle, twist the cradle counterclockwise to release it from the mounting plate. Grab the cord winder cable end using needle nose pliers if necessary. Pull the cable end to the front of the purple display circle and set it on the post of the cradle mounting plate. Place the cradle back on its mounting plate and twist it clockwise to click it in place. Place the multi-port USB power hub within the fixture and run its power cable to the nearest outlet. Plug the USB power cable from a cradle into a port on the multi-port USB power hub. Repeat as necessary. Finish these steps with the necessary cable management. After attaching the sensor head to a product, bring it to the cradle where it is to be displayed. Find the port in the center of the sensor head's back. Pull out a length of cord winder cable and insert the cable end into the port on the center of the sensor head's back. Twist the cable end clockwise to lock it into the sensor head. It cannot be removed without using the tether disconnect key. The red flashing LED indicates that the sensor head is powered on but has not yet been configured to the system. To remove the sensor head from the cradle, insert the tether disconnect key into the hole on the side of the sensor head. You will feel a click when the cable is unlocked. Turn the cable end a 1/4 turn counterclockwise and pull it out of the sensor head. No tools or keys are required to reattach sensor head to the cable end. Once the sensor heads are attached to the cradle, insert a learned key into the main alarm and press and hold the reset button for 3 seconds until the LCD states "Release to reset." The devices found count increases as sensor heads are detected. Make sure that the final devices found count matches the number of devices that are on display. Before removing a key, verify that all sensor heads are blinking green, indicating that they have been configured. At this point, all devices should be charging. Remove key to arm the system. Please note that this step is for stores that have subscribed to Senko's data analytics plan. To upload the devices on your planogram to the Senko app, first open the Genesis Wireless Security and Data app on your iOS device. Log into the app using your login provided by Senko. Select the gateway for your store. At the bottom, click the sensor ID. That will open the QR code scanner. Scan the QR code found on the back of the sensor head. Click Device ID at the bottom of the page. Locate the catalog. Scan the QR code in the catalog provided by Senko for the corresponding device. Review the information and click the review at the bottom if it is correct. If it's not correct, click Scan again. Review the information again and click Save to return to the sensor ID list. Repeat these steps for each displayed device. To test the system, remove a sensor head from the tether and move the sensor away from the fixture until the LEDs are flashing red and the chirp warning sounds. Quickly move the sensor head back into range. The red LEDs and chirping should stop when moved back into range. Repeat this step for longer than 5 seconds until the main alarm sounds. The LCD on the main alarm will indicate which sensor ID is in alarm and what type of alarm has been triggered. Please see the last page of the manual to see a detailed alarm code chart. After confirming system operation and main alarm placement, clean the surface with an alcohol wipe and adhere the main alarm in place.